Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Ashley, today we are making kulfa. I've been making this recipe for many years and every time I make this kulfa it is a huge hit. So I'm going to share this recipe with you. It is very easy to make. We only need few ingredients and it is super good. It is better than store-bought kulfa. So once you make this kulfa at home, you will never buy it from the supermarket. Alright, to make this kulfa we need 2 cups of heavy cream, 3/4 cup of condensed milk, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Now pistachios are optional and I'm going to use pinch of salt. Now the reason I'm using salt is to cut down the sugar. You cannot cut down on the amount of condensed milk you're using, because the moment that you cut down in half or your kulfa will not be as creamy, it will form ice. Okay, now we are going to add our condensed milk. So remember, do not cut down on the sugar or condensed milk. I would recommend that you use condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Okay, once you add your condensed milk, add your cardamom. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt, okay? Mix everything. That's it. That's all guys, just mix everything and you will freeze it for at least 8 hours and your kulfa is ready. I'm going to add a little bit of pistachios. Now if you don't want to make kulfa, you want to make ice cream, you will skip on the cardamom powder and you will add the vanilla extract. Okay guys, I have poured the kulfa in the container and I'm going to top with some pistachios. Now these are totally optional. So again, if you want to make ice cream, skip the cardamom powder and add the vanilla extract. And I have made ice cream for the kids and it is a huge hit as well. Okay, so this is ready and now we are going to freeze it. Okay guys, our kulfa is ready. Now I'm going to scoop it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to scoop it. You see how creamy it is. I just want to show you from inside. Hey guys, look at this kulfa ice cream. So make sure you try this recipe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.